A turmeric gummy is so much more effective when you do it yourself. Okay, we're starting with a cup of milk, which we're going to divide into 1/4 a cup and 3/4 of a cup. A tablespoon of powdered turmeric, maybe a little less if you're not accustomed to turmeric. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Turmeric needs fat to be better absorbed. Now, although using whole milk will provide some fat. 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Black pepper will make turmeric 2,000 times more bioavailable. A teaspoon of cinnamon or your choice of other spices such as nutmeg, Chia spices, pumpkin spices. It's a matter up to you. 3 tablespoons of honey, more or less to taste. 2 packages of gelatin powder or around 1½ tablespoons of gelatin. Okay, pour 1/4 a cup of cold milk into a 2-cup container. Stir in 2 packages of gelatin powder, which is about 1.5 tablespoons, and let this set for at least 5 minutes. Okay, heat together 3/4 cup of milk, a tablespoon of powdered turmeric, a teaspoon of coconut oil, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of your powdered cinnamon, or other spices. Now you want to simmer this on low heat for 5 minutes. You don't want to boil it, you just want a very low simmer. Okay, you can remove this from the heat and let it set for 1 minute and then stir in 3 tablespoons of honey, more or less to taste. Now the reason we're removing it from the heat is we want to cool it off a little bit so it doesn't destroy the enzymes in the raw natural honey. Okay, stir the turmeric mixture into the dissolved gelatin mixture and stir for 2 minutes. You want to make sure the gelatin is completely dissolved and the whole mixture is mixed in good together. Okay, now you want to pour it into a container with a cover. You're going to refrigerate this for several hours or until it's firm. Now in my case, my container was about 5.5 by 8 inches. Okay, you can remove it from the refrigerator when it's formed, flip it out and turn it over if you want to, cut into small portions and store in an airtight container. Now this is going to keep 7 to 10 days in the refrigerator. Now you can turn any herbal tea or juice into a gummy by adding 1/2 tablespoon of gelatin powder to every 1/3 cup of tea or juice, except you cannot use citrus juice. There are so many extra benefits by making turmeric gummies instead of just a turmeric tea or taking capsules. Now you have just made more than just an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Turmeric gummies not only is a great anti-inflammatory, but now has the extra benefits of gelatin powder. Gelatin is a source of collagen known to make the skin firmer, less wrinkles and lines. Gelatin is a source of protein with no fat, makes the person feel full, which may help with weight loss. May aid digestion, stimulates production of gastric juices to prevent digestive issues, improves the health of the mucosal lining of the stomach, absorbs water, helping food to move through the digestive system better. It eases joint pain due to inflammation. The glycine in gelatin may improve blood sugar and may improve sleep. And you might be an herbalist if you make herbal gummies. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of these easy to make home remedies.